Hello. Do you know Sage X3 is best for the pharmaceutical industry? Let's explore its challenges and learn interesting facts about its benefits for your business. Optimize inventory management, quality control, and compliance issues using a single software. Let's discuss about challenges of pharma industry. It is complicated to identify the quantity of goods in the inventory. Tracking the latest compliance from the regulatory bodies without an automated system is tough. Accurate forecasts and business reports are difficult to get manually. It is significant to understand the market pricing and fix the rates without compromising on the quality. Now, let's see how will Sage X3 help you to manage pharma business? Improves the business health from manufacturing to distribution. Adhere to all regulations laid by the government promptly. Simplified supply chain process where it identifies loopholes and helps in finding solutions. As the firm expands, it is significant to manage finances from multiple brands across the globe. Sage X3 ERP system is the rich, modular and flexible solution to combat these challenges. Implement Sage X3 and see the difference it brings to your organization. Make an impactful decision today by implementing Sage X3.